Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Car Basic Inspection. A complete guide. Keeping your car in excellent condition doesn't always require a trip to the mechanic. Performing a thorough car inspection on your own can save you time and money. By following this comprehensive guide, you'll gain confidence in handling minor automotive issues and ensure your vehicle remains reliable for years to come. Why regular car inspections matter. Safety first. Your safety is paramount. Detecting and addressing small issues early can prevent them from becoming major safety hazards on the road. Regular inspections ensure that your vehicle operates safely and reliably, protecting you and others. Longevity. Regular maintenance and inspections can significantly extend the life of your vehicle. By identifying and resolving issues early, you can avoid costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly for longer. Financial savings. Proactively identifying and addressing minor issues during inspections helps you avoid expensive repairs down the road. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your vehicle's performance and reliability over time, saving you money in the long term. Essential tools for basic car inspection. Before you start, gather the necessary tools. Tire pressure gauge. Flashlight. Dipstick for oil. Clean rags. A basic set of wrenches and screwdrivers. Jack and lug wrench, for checking tires and brakes. These tools will allow you to perform a thorough inspection with ease, helping you spot potential problems before they escalate. Inspecting tires and brakes. Tire pressure. Proper tire pressure is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and even tire wear. Use a tire pressure gauge to check the SI against your vehicle's manual recommendations. Ensure all tires, including the spare, are properly inflated. Tire tread. Check the tread depth using a penny or a tread depth gauge. Insert the penny head first into the tread. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it's time to consider replacing the tires for better traction and safety. Brake pads and rotors. Visually inspect brake pads through the wheel spokes. If they are less than a quarter-inch thick, they may need replacement. Also, check brake rotors for signs of wear or scoring, which can affect braking performance. Checking fluid levels. Engine oil. Regularly checking and changing the engine oil ensures optimal engine performance and longevity. Use the dipstick to ensure the oil level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Also, check the oil color and consistency for signs of contamination or degradation. Coolant. Ensure the coolant level is adequate and free of contaminants by checking the radiator cap when the engine is cool. Proper coolant levels prevent engine overheating and maintain optimal performance. Brake fluid. Check the brake fluid reservoir to ensure it's filled to the recommended level. Low brake fluid can compromise braking efficiency and safety. Inspect for any signs of discoloration or contamination. Transmission fluid. For vehicles with automatic transmissions, check the transmission fluid level and condition as per the manufacturer's instructions. Low or degraded transmission fluid can lead to transmission problems and costly repairs. Windshield washer fluid. Maintain clear visibility by keeping the windshield washer fluid reservoir filled at all times. This is essential for safe driving, especially in adverse weather conditions. Inspecting lights and wipers. Headlights and taillights. Regularly check all lights, including headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals, for proper functioning. Replace any burnt-out bulbs promptly to maintain visibility and comply with traffic laws. Windshield wipers. Inspect the condition of the wiper blades for wear or damage. Streaks, skipping, or squeaking indicate the need for replacement to ensure clear visibility during rain or snow. Battery and electrical systems. Battery condition. Examine the battery for signs of corrosion on the terminals. Clean them with a mixture of baking soda and water if necessary. Secure the battery in its holder to prevent damage. Electrical connections. Check all electrical connections, especially if you notice dashboard lights behaving unusually. Loose connections can cause electrical malfunctions that affect various vehicle systems. Belts and hoses. Serpentine belt. Inspect the serpentine belt for signs of wear, such as cracks, fraying, or visible glazing. A damaged belt can lead to engine performance issues and should be replaced promptly. Hoses. Check the radiator, heater, and vacuum hoses for leaks, bulges, or cracks. Damaged hoses can result in coolant leaks, loss of engine power, or engine overheating, so replace them if any issues are detected. Maintaining your car's health. Regularly performing these comprehensive inspections ensures your vehicle remains in peak condition. These checks not only enhance your safety on the road but also save you money by preventing costly repairs and replacements. Remember, a well-maintained car is a reliable car. By dedicating a little time each month to these inspections, you'll enjoy smoother, worry-free driving for years to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.